Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are enjoying at your home with following all safety rules that are whenever you are going to out you have to wear mask, use sanitizer and always maintain social distancing. Means whenever it is necessary that time only you have to go out, otherwise you have to stay at home only. And whenever you want to play outside you have to wear mask. When you came back from outside you have to use sanitizer and wash your hand properly. Okay, I hope everyone are following this all rules now. Today's writing is about chapter 11, The Warrior's King. This is about like a story only. We have to complete this story by using these lines, and some fill-ups are there. We have to fill that gaps. Okay. So, writing, read the text again, then read the notes about Maharana Pratap's life and complete the information. Means you have to read this given instructions and you have to write about Maharana Pratap's story using this information, and some informations are missing there. You have to complete this information from reading chapter properly. Okay, now today read the text again. Means we have to read textbook once again, means whole chapter you have to read. Then read the notes about Maharana Pratap's life, complete the information. You have to read a first chapter, then you have to write about Maharana Pratap's summary. Means every day I am revising you in a short form. Okay, that short form you have to make a notes, then you have to complete this information. Okay, first is train in the use of weapons as a young prince. ओके, जब प्रिंस महाराणा प्रताप छोटे थे तो उनको लर्निंग सम्स एंड लैंग्वेजेस से ज़्यादा जिसमें इंटरेस्ट था, वेपन्स में. सो दिस इज़ अ इंफॉर्मेशन, शॉर्ट इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ trained in the use of weapons as a young prince. Chittor captured by the Mughals affected Prince very much. Okay, when Maharana Pratap was 28 years old, that time his father was a ruler of Mewar. That time Mughals attacked the Mewar kingdom. That time they captured their capital Chittor. That affected Maharana Pratap very much. So how you know how it is affected? It's affected by he was very upset and he made a promise that he will get Chittor one day back. Okay, then that is again one oath he taken in front of their army, that is he will never eat he always eat food in leafy platters, and he will sleep on floors. Okay, then next became Maharana after father died, owed to take a Chittor back. Okay, I explained you both only. When Maharana Pratap became a Mewar of Maharana of that Mewar, that time he had a owed to take Chittor back. Trained Mewar army to fight Mughals at Battle of Haldi Ghati. Day and night Maharana Pratap trained their army to fight against Mughals. He trained them day and night. Okay, trained Mewar army to fight to Mughals at Battle of Haldigati. When they trained and when they perfected, that time they started fighting with the Mughals at Haldigati. Okay, now hut taken to safety by horse Chetak. When Haldigati, that fighting is going on, that time Mughals army was leading by elephant and large army. That army was led by Raja Man Singh. So that time Maharana Pratap and his Chetak were injured. That time Chetak understand that my master will get hurt. Now I have to take him a safer place. So it take his master and ran swiftly to the safer place. When he reached the safer place, it fall down, means वो नीचे गिर गया, then died means then died. चेतक जब वो सेफर प्लेस में पहुंच गए तो चेतक जो हॉर्स था वो डाइड हो गया. डाइड होने के बाद महाराणा प्रताप ने उसके यादी में एक वहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा गार्डन बनाया. ओके, चेतक के यादी में, उसके हाउस के यादी में महाराणा प्रताप ने वहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा गार्डन बनाया. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट देयर. After that, chased by the Mughals, fights them for 20 years. After saving his life by Chetak, that time also Maharana Pratap continued fighting in front of Mughals. How he continued? He stayed at Aravali Hills and they had a very hardful life. One day his daughter was having her dinner. That dinner was snatched by one wild animal. That time महाराणा प्रताप फेल्ट वेरी बैड. ही हैज़ टू गिव अप नाउ. उन्होंने सोचा अभी मैं इतना हार्डशिप की ज़िंदगी जी रहा हूँ तो मुझे अभी इनके साथ फाइटिंग करना छोड़ देना चाहिए. सो फिर उनको देन नेक्स्ट मोमेंट ही रिमेंबर्ड अबाउट हीज प्रॉमिस. उनको नेक्स्ट मोमेंट में ऐसे लगा मेरे प्रॉमिस को मुझे कंटिन्यू रखना है. उन्होंने क्या प्रॉमिस किया था? आई विल टेक अ चित्तौर वन डे बैक. सो ही अगेन कंटिन्यूड फाइटिंग विथ them. Okay, so next, set up a new capital to Chawand, takes off a peoples, dies at age of 57. Okay, he continued fighting with the 20 years with the Mughals. That time he captured मेवाड़ का बहुत सारा एरिया उन्होंने अपने वश में कर लिया. Then one day he is living very peaceful life. That time he went to the hunting. In that hunting he became injured when he was at 57-year-old. That time he called his son Amar Singh and he take a promise from him also. Who is Amar Singh? Amar Singh is a सन ऑफ महाराणा प्रताप सिंह. उनसे भी उन्होंने एक प्रॉमिस लिया. वो प्रॉमिस था ही इज़ आल्सो कंटिन्यू फाइटिंग विथ मुगल्स फॉरवर्ड दैट ही विल गेट अ चित्तौर वन डे बैक. उन्होंने अब तक तो बहुत सारा मेवाड़ का राज का बहुत सारा एरिया कैप्चर किया था. देन आल्सो ही वांट टू टेक अ होल एरिया फ्रॉम मुगल्स. सो ही बिकेम इंजर्ड, उनको लगा अभी मैं नहीं बचूंगा करके उन्होंने उनके सन को बुलाया और सन से भी उन्होंने प्रॉमिस ले लिया। क्या प्रॉमिस ले लिया? उन्होंने ये प्रॉमिस लिया, मैं अपना चित्तौड़ एक दिन वापस ले लूँगा। ओके, सो दिस इज द story of Maharana Pratap Singh. Okay, now what they did? Again he get a promise from his son, and he gave a promise to his father that he will take he get a Chittor one day back. That time when 57 years old Maharana Pratap Singh, he died. The great hero of Mewar died. उनके 57 years में उन्होंने अपना अंतिम सांस ले लिया। दिस वन यू हैव टू राइट इन योर फेयर नोटबुक, ओके, विथ अ गुड हैंड राइटिंग, टचिंग टू दी 4 lines, finger gap should be there, and sharpen your pencil and write with a good handwriting. I hope everyone are following my instruction. Every time I am telling to you, you have to write with a good handwriting. Okay? Stay safe. Bye bye.